Hello friends, welcome back to another video of Accessible Computing YouTube channel. Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. Today I am going to share a very useful application with the help of which you can easily track your monetary record. You can easily track you can easily maintain your expense and saving amounts. So I think this application helps you a lot to save your money. So without any delay, let's start. The application name is Money Manager. I have shared the application link into our Telegram channel. So if you are not a member of our Telegram channel, you can join by visiting the description box of this video, or you can go directly Telegram and search Accessible Computing. You will get the Telegram channel of Accessible Computing YouTube channel. Otherwise, you can easily download it from Play Store. So let me open the application first.
Money Manager. Money Manager. Financial monitoring and pager.
Yes, financial monitoring.
Keep your incomes and expenses on track. Select tab, get started.
Click on get started to start the application.
Showing English India QWERTY.
Now you have to enter
next, editing, name, edit
name.
box.
You can type your name. This is the account where you can manage your you can track your expense and savings. You can name it home, office or whatever you want. But for safety purpose, I am giving my name.
Editing, next button.
After entering my name, click on next button.
Keyboard hidden. Money Manager. Select currency.
Now you have to choose the currency.
What is your favorite? Select currency, edit box.
So I'm choosing
Money Manager. INR dash.
I have selected the Indian rupee, then I'm clicking on next button.
Money Manager. Skip button.
Skip.
Initial amount.
Initial amount. Initial amount means currently what amount you want to expense in your month. You can easily track your expense record. You don't need to track your savings record, because most of us have a fixed amount of salary. Those who are doing like any professional or self-employment jobs, for them they need to enter the they need to use the savings or income features. Okay, so let me choose
how much money? Zero, edit box. How much money do you have in your cash wallet?
So
zero, edit box.
And suppose you got a salary of 10,000 rupees. You don't expense all the money, right? So suppose you will expense 5,000 rupees. So you have to enter your cash wallet 5,000 rupees. In my case, I am typing 1,250 rupees.
Is 0. 1 button.
1,
2,
2,
5,
5,
8 button. 0 button.
By the way, you don't need to expand the edit box, because already the edit box and the number buttons are visible on your screen. You have to double tap on every number buttons to type that number.
1,250. Edit
Yes.
box. Escape
After that,
button.
escape.
And skip. Done.
So click on done button to get started.
Money Manager. Ratul, carrot.
Now I am ready.
Go Premium.
Go Premium. I will tell you what are the extra features in Premium.
Transaction.
Transaction. If I click on transaction, let's see.
Money Manager. Date mode. Transaction. Date previous. But April. Next. List. No record.
No record. No record means if you transact your amount to any other bank account, you can select this option.
Money Manager.
When you
Search.
add entry. Okay, by the way, you have to manually enter all the entries, because I don't like to enter the automatically entries, because when you are using the applications which enables you the automatically entries, they can charge a lots of amount, otherwise they can use your SMS features, okay, which is not secured for peoples. Okay,
Balance.
now
1000.
balance.
List. Balance. 1250.
Yes, this is the balance, which is my current balance. After that,
List. No record.
no record, so I have to create a new record. Before creating a new record, there are 3 tabs below.
Selected. Transaction.
Transaction
tab.
tab.
1 of 4. Calendar. Tab.
Calendar
2 of 4.
tab, where you can select your date and time.
List. Out of list. Statistic. Tab. 3 of
Statistics,
4.
you can
And
check
list.
all the
4 items.
statistics. I'm not showing you in details because it's a very self-explanatory.
Wallet. Tab. 4 of
Wallet
4.
tab, it's a wallet details. You will get all the wallet details. You can try or you can explore yourself. Now I'm clicking on
Fab. Button. Out of
Fab
list.
button. Fab button means create new entry button.
Money
You
manager.
can say.
Navigate up. Save. Expense.
So first you have to
Save.
choose save.
Income.
Income. If you want to entry any income, you can select income, but I want
Expense.
to expense. I want to add expense. I'm click on expense. After
Track.
that,
Date. Amount. Description. Category. Wallet. Map. 04/19/2022.
this is today's date 04/19/2022.
1856.
It's there. This is the time.
Recurring.
Recurring.
0. Edit box.
Recurring means every day you have to pay something. Suppose you have to pay 10 rupees or 50 rupees. Every day you can use the recurring, but recurring feature, I think recurring feature is paid option.
0. Edit box.
So today suppose
Money
I
manager.
want to
Navigate
enter
up.
one
6. Button. 5. Button.
54 rupees.
4.
54 rupees for purchasing my shaving brush. Okay,
54.
suppose
Capital. 54.
just wait.
Enter amount. 54.
Enter amount.
Capitals. Navigate up. Done. Button.
Click on done button.
Money manager.
Now, let's see.
50. Shorted. 54. Edit box.
54 edit box. 54 means the amount which I have expensed today.
Short description. Edit
Short
box.
description.
Showing
So
English
here
India
I am typing
QWERTY keyboard.
just
Board. A. D. Shift A. E. A. Z.
just a
S.
minute, shaving brush.
H. H.
So I'm typing. After that I will come back the video.
54. Edit box.
So 54
Shaving brush. Edit
shaving
box.
brush.
Short
This is
description.
the short description.
Select category. Edit
This
box.
is the select category. Now I am selecting the category.
Money.
Let's see.
Select settings. Selected. Bills and list.
Bills.
Clothing.
Clothing, it's a category of your expense. Okay, so remember these are the categories of your expense.
Bills.
Bills, this amount is for
Clothing.
bills or
Clothing.
clothing,
Education.
education,
Entertainment.
entertainment,
Fitness.
fitness,
Food.
food,
Gifts.
gifts,
Health.
health,
Furniture.
furniture,
Pet.
pet.
Shopping.
So I'm click shopping. So I have purchased the item. Now I am selecting shopping.
Money manager. Shop. Cash 1250. Edit box.
It's a cash,
Select wallet.
okay.
Add
This
a
is-
note. Edit box.
I can add extra note.
Name. Fab. But switch.
Then I am click on
Save.
save button.
Money manager. Fab. Button.
Now let's see.
Select Fab. Shaving brush. 54. Cash. 1856. And list. 19. Tuesday, April 2022.
This
54.
today's result.
Shaving brush. 54.
Shaving brush.
Fab. Button. Selected. Fab. Button.
By using
Out
this
of
tab
list.
button, you can create a new record. Okay.
Selected. Transaction.
Transactions.
Calendar. Tab.
If I
2 4.
click on calendar, let's
Calendar. 31. Out of list.
see. Okay.
30. 29.
So here you have to select the date first. After that, you
Statistic.
can check it. Okay. Now let me switch to
Statistic.
statistics.
Overview. Balance. Opening balance. Ending balance.
Overview,
1,200.
opening balance,
Overview.
okay.
Income. 0. Show more. Overview. Income. 0.
Income
Expense.
0.
54. Total.
Expense
54.
Okay. So there are lots of
Transaction. Tab.
Transaction.
Calendar. Tab. Select wallet. Tab.
wallet. If I click on wallet, there are lots of
Debt.
options.
Row 8. And grid. Manage. Debt. Add goal. Manage. Row
Okay.
6.
There are lots of options you can try it once.
Transaction.
So I'm clicking on transactions. Now let's see.
Shaving 19. Balance 1,196. Out of list.
1196. When you see the balance, you know, okay, I don't have so much balance in my wallet, so I have to keep my expenses limited. Okay, so these can help you to limit your expense and to save your money in every month. I think this application is very helpful. So please don't forget to share your opinion into the comment section below, because I want to see your comments. Like the video, share the video, and if you're new to see this channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Choose all notifications for latest videos. See you soon. Till then, stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.